Welcome to this video in which we will make a dice on this BBC Microbit. We will run it in simulator through block coding, and we will do it in MicroPython as well. Here you can see. So let's begin. So here you have to write in your browser, search make code Microbit and then press enter, and this is the website. In this website we will do uh, block coding. So click on new project and type the name of the project. I am typing code for dice. You can type your own name, or you can simply write dice or any other name. So this is our microbit simulator. This is the touch logo. Here you can see this is the button A, this is button B, and here are 25 LEDs. Okay, these are GPIO pins 0 1 2 3 volt and ground. This is stop button. And okay, now we do not need these start and forever blocks. I am going to delete these. First you have to go to this input, and here you have to drag this on shake button in this environment window, and then we would go to this basic block and pick this show numbers and drag it into the on shake block, because we know that on dice there are 6 numbers, so we would require numbers. And then we would go to this math block here, and then just scroll down, and here we would require pick random 0 to 10, then drag it into this show number. And we know that on dice there are numbers from 1 to 6. Okay, so I am changing this from 1 to 6, and these are random numbers. That's why we use this pick random. And when we shake it, here is the random number 5, and we can reset it from here on this simulator, and then we can shake it again and reset it, shake it again, and these are all random numbers, just like they show on the real dice. So these are random numbers from 1 to 6. Now open a new tab and make sure close the previous one. Okay, and just type Python editor for Microbit and open this very first link. Select all and press the backspace button, and here we would type the same code in MicroPython. So I am typing here from Microbit import star. Okay, press the enter button and move to the next line, and then I am typing here import random. So this module will import random digits. Okay, then I am writing here while true. This is an infinite loop, and make sure type a semicolon here, and then in this infinite loop I'm typing if accelerometer dot was gesture, and here I would use shake in these inverted commas, and then make sure to insert a semicolon here. And then as I have to display the digits, so I would use this display dot show. You can select it from here. Automatically the parentheses will appear, and here I would write random dot rand int, random dot rand int. So this random dot rand int will automatically generate digits, and we have to specify the range. I have specified 1 to 6, and this is the simulator. Okay, and if we press this play button, this one, this play button, this random digit from 1 to 6 will be generated. This is the reset button, and we can generate a lot of numbers from here. So this is the simulator, and now we will download the same code. This is the microbit. This is our microbit. I will connect this microbit to my laptop, and I will download the code into this microbit. So let's just connect this USB with the laptop. I have connected the USB with this laptop, and now just cross this window will automatically appear when we connect the microbit to it. And this is the code, and we have to select this save to microbit. I have clicked here, and now we have to click on next button, because we have to pair our microbit with this laptop. Click on next again, select this device. This is the BBC microbit device. Select this device and then click on connect button. This is the connect button. Click here, and now this code is sending to the microbit. Now this is our microbit, and when we shake this microbit, this random number will automatically appear. This is the reset button at the back of the microbit, and when we shake it again, this is the random number, and we can generate a lot of random number just like we do with our dice. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.